Hi everybody! We're going to make a color wheel today and learn how our three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, make our secondary colors. Alright, so we're going to be doing a color wheel today, and we are going to just use our three primary colors of red, yellow, and blue to make all of these colors. It's going to be magical. So to start with, we're going to get yellow, and we're going to color RO, red orange, and BG, blue green, with yellow, because that is the base of their color, yellow. Then we're going to color yellow. Remember, we're doing this together. You should be coloring with me. So now I have three colors that are yellow, but there's more. Yellow orange, orange, all have yellow as a base. So do yellow green and green. So let's get that done, and then once you're done with that, yellow can rest. Next, we're going to take blue, and we're going to do the cool side of the color wheel. So we're going to start with blue on yellow green, lightly, lightly, lightly. Just a little blue, because yellow green is mostly yellow. Then I'm going to skip across the color wheel to red violet, and it also has just a little bit of blue. So I'm going to put an L here because that's a lightly colored area. And I'm going to put an L here, that's a lightly colored area. Then I'm going to go to green, and that's a medium colored area with blue because it has more blue in it. So I'm going to color, not crazy hard, but it's definitely got more blue in it than yellow green. Then I have four more colors that have heavy amounts of blue. So that would be blue green, blue, blue violet, and violet. So I'm going to take my crayon, color heavy, heavy, heavy on blue green, as much blue as I can get in there, but no matter how much I put in, it's still a green color because it's got yellow under it. Then I especially see that when I color blue, because a pure blue looks totally different. And then I'm going to lay in some blue on blue violet and a lot of blue on violet. Now blue is all done and it can go rest. Now I'm going to get red, and red is going to be put into the warm side of the color wheel. So yellow is one of my warm colors. Check, have that done. Now I'm going to do yellow orange. Just a little bit of red on yellow orange. Then I'm going to go across the color wheel to blue violet. Blue violet is going to get a light amount of red on it because it's not a pure blue. It's mostly blue, but it has a little bit of red in it. Then orange has a medium amount of red in it. Should definitely look darker because it's got more red. So yellow, orange, mostly yellow. Orange has a little more red in it. Then I have red, orange, tons of red, red, pure red, red violet, mostly red, and violet down here tons of red, tons of blue, super dark color. You're gonna think it looks like black because it has no white in it right now. So, red, orange. It's always gonna be an orange tone because it's got yellow under it. And here's red. Definitely looks red compared to red, orange. And then red, violet. It's going to be a cooler red because it's got a little bit of blue in it. And then violet down here. Dark, 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 dark. And when you look at your violet or purple crayon from Crayola, they've added white to it. That's why this looks so different. But this is a true violet. It's just a super dark color. So now I'm going to hop over here to my tinting and shading area. I'm going to put a coat of red down on my shade and on my tint. And then I'm going to get my white crayon and I'm going to push, push, push as much white on there as I can. And this would be a tint. So the color plus white is a tint. And that's how we get pink, light green, light blue, light purple, because they have white in them. Now our English language is crazy because a tint, when you have a car, means you, that's right, darken the windows. But as an artist, of course car people are artists because they have a definite skill set for that job. But when you are painting, a tint is the color plus white. Now we're going to go to shade. A shade is the color plus black. You don't have to push very hard with black or it'll all be black. Black is crazy strong. So the color plus black is a shade. And just think about if you're standing in the shade, you're standing in a darker place because the sun doesn't get there. All right, so now your color wheel page is complete.
Well, now that we've done the color wheel, we're going to use some crayons and work on our color theory.
All right, 7th graders, we are going to be coloring our color scheme page. So I need my primary colors. So my primary colors are yellow, hello sunshine, red, red always reminds me of love, and blue, hello sky, all right, now we're going to take these 3 colors and make our secondary colors. So for those, we would put yellow on green, yellow on orange, red on orange, red on purple, blue on green, and blue on purple. Blue broke. I guess it's going to the recycle bucket to be remade into a beautiful rubbing crayon now. Goodbye, blue. All right, so then you guys are gonna look up warm colors and neutral colors on your color wheel page. And then here we have analogous, complementary. So for analogous, those are neighbor colors on the color wheel. So here we have yellow, and if my favorite color was yellow, analogous colors are orange or green, or maybe orange and red. It's just 3 colors that lay side by side. So I'm going to start by coloring my favorite color, which happens to be red today. So I'm gonna go through here. Color analogous, which is your big word of the day. There we go. What neighbor colors shall I do? I have so many beautiful friends here to pick from. I think I'm gonna go with an oldie but goodie purple, and I think I'm gonna go with orange because they lay side by side on purple. Three colors that are neighbors. Here we go, putting a little purple. Reminds me of grape jelly. And I'm gonna put a little orange on there. Okay, so those are analogous colors. Now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do some complementary colors. So complementary colors are colors that are across from each other on the color wheel. Now they do two things. When they mix, they make brown, but when they're side by side, they make each other look crazy bright. Hence, Christmas with red and green, and the Lakers uniforms, yellow and purple, and the Bears, blue and orange. These sports teams and Santa Claus picked those colors because when they are side by side, they make each other look brighter. Oh, crippled old blue. There we go. Ooh, this is a limey green, like key lime pie. All right.